Redactle. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go play a quick game and become quickly addicted to it. But if not, here's a quick snapshot. You are given a Wikipedia article, but most of the words are redacted. You then go on guessing words, trying to piece together what the article is about until you guess the article's title. Let's do a speed run. Okay, so here we have a brand new article. I don't know anything about it, so let me just take some shots in the dark. Water, no hits on water. Located, no hits on located. Her, okay, her shows up 5 times, so it gets filled out, including some her-like words such as she, but 5 isn't enough because this is a super long article, so it doesn't give us a lot of information. Well, guess he? Oh, he shows up a bunch of times, so it's probably a guy, maybe a war general. Fought? Nope, just 1 hit for fought. Painted? Nope. Right? Yep, right? Okay, cool. Also, I can use a hint to get some information. Let's click that. Alright, 1616, so we know that he's a 17th century, 16th century writer of some sort. Super famous one. Oop, let me spell the word right. Plays, okay. Yeah, a playwright. Here we go. I think it is William Shakespeare. See? And that's how Redactle works. Now, most of the articles are not that easy, so you want to figure out some good guessing words to clue you in onto what the article is about. Well, one of the Redactle sites recommends some good starting words, but we can do some math of our own to figure out some good guesses. So there are 10,000 Wikipedia articles that Redactle chooses from randomly, and those 10,000 are split into 11 categories. Now, let's quickly imagine a case with only 3 categories. If I guess a super common word such as the, it appears in every article in every category, so it will be in the center intersection of the Venn diagram. But if I guess a word like bluesery, that shows up in nowhere, because that is not a word, so it will be in this outer bit of the Venn diagram. Now let's take a word like factorial. That probably only shows up in the math category, so if we have a hunch that our article is in that math category and we guess factorial and it appears in the article, we can be pretty sure that our hunch is correct. Our article is in the math category. So, here are the real figures. Out of the 10,000 articles, 23 of the 300 math articles contain the word factorial. 2 out of the 1,500 people article contains it, and 1 out of the 1,000 technology articles contain factorial. So, we can kind of think of the chances that if we guess factorial for it to appear in the article and be in the math category to be the percent that it is in that math category times the percent that it is not in any other category. So in our case, it's 23 over 300 times 1 minus 2 over 1,500 times 1 minus 1 over 1,000. We can now do this for every word in every category to find good guesses that will confirm our hunch. A word that shows up only in one category 100% of the time will have an output of 100%. And a word that never shows up in a category or shows up a lot in other categories will have an output close to 0, such as the. So here are the results. These results are showing you if you have a hunch in a given category, what are the best words to guess to confirm that hunch. We can also do the inverse and guess a word hoping that it does not show up in the article to confirm our hunch and narrow down the category. It's like guessing this area of the Venn diagram and then taking the inverse of it. Here are those results. Two final quick thoughts. You could guess the article in 0 guesses. Click this button right here to see how long every word is, and this can act like a unique key for a lookup table. Now make a lookup table with all 10,000 articles, and now when you see that article again, you know what it is in ON time and 0 guesses. Or you could just look at the console output, but don't cheat. Also, one of the best ways to guess on your first guess is to narrow down the 10,000 possible articles to 5,000, and that best word is said. That shows up in 4,996 articles. My code and my data is on GitHub. Bye!